China produces over 1.2 million metric tons of processed cheese products annually, almost none of it from fresh milk. It starts as dried milk powder, which is shelf-stable and cheap to ship. Adding sodium citrate causes the proteins to unfold, creating a smooth, meltable sheet. Now underpins a global industry worth $50 billion, and China became its most ambitious adopter, building facilities that wrap 3 million slices every single hour.
In the next 2 minutes, trace exactly how powder becomes a perfect slice, with 3 transformations in 1 factory and 0 fresh milk.
One is dust, the other is a perfect slice, and the distance between them is 100 meters of stainless steel and 180 degrees of heat.
The milk powder begins on the other side of the world in New Zealand pasture, where it is dried within hours of milking, locking in proteins for a journey across the ocean. After 3 weeks at sea, the powder arrives here at China's single largest processed cheese facility, showing the vast and carefully tracked supply chain. First, the powder is liberated from its travel sacks, and every batch is sifted, then sucked into towering silos, so no human hands touch the material.
Rehydrated with precise water ratios, the powder becomes liquid again, and then the alchemy begins, as emulsifying salts are introduced.
Inside the continuous cooker, the emulsion hits 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and in less than 3 minutes it becomes one uniform meltable mass, the precursor to every slice. Flowing onto a chilled drum, the cheese sets into a continuous ribbon, cooling in seconds, yet staying pliable enough for the next machine. High-speed cutters turn the ribbon into precise squares, each one within 1/10 of a gram of the target, with no waste and no pause, showing how nature has become pure mathematics. Dangerous. Finally, the wrapper, that unmistakable gold metallic finish, seals each slice, locking in the precise moisture and flavor engineered hours before.
Every slice passes through a metal detector and a visual system, ensuring no imperfection ever leaves the hull, with human judgment at the final gate. From powder to gold. Not a farm, but a formula, and it happens 3 million times an hour.